What's Gucci YouTube family? This your favorite mentor back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So today you already saw in the title description below that we are talking about Nasdaq and US 30, which are your favorite pairs, and how you can trade them when it's 3:30 or basically when it's New York session, right? So before we get into this video, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, do all the beautiful stuff so the YouTube algorithm can push our videos to other people as well, right? Because it's all about helping other people as well. So nonetheless, guys, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video, guys. So the first thing you must know when trading New York session and when trading a 3:30 move is your support and your resistance are very, very, very important, right? So it says price moves within a structural of support and resistance, right? So what I want you to know today is that you cannot trade New York session if you don't have support and resistance, guys, because you need a certain structure to identify the market movement, right? Is it a buy or is it a sell? You get the point? So what I would tip you to do is wait for the market to touch a specific structure or to break a specific structure, right? Because if a support has more than 2 touches, you have to buy on the 3rd touch. If it has more than 3 touches, if it has more than let's say 4 touches, you would want to leave that zone alone and wait for the zone to break. Because remember, the more the market respects a certain zone, the more the market disrespects it. I don't know if I'm making sense, because if the market can touch that zone 3 times already, we can expect a break the 4th time. Why am I saying so? It's because the market is testing that certain zone to break it, right? That's why we use support and resistance. So if you can check here, when you trade 3:30, you won't wait for two touches on the support or the resistance to actually trade the market, because the NYSE opening is for you to to capitalize on those sniper entries. So you want the market to give you at least one top, and when it comes to the second top, that's when you would want to sell, because remember, we are also trading reversal zones, but I'll get to that later in the video. So let's move to the second step of trading NYSE session, guys. So guys, the second step of trading New York session is spotting the trend, guys. This thing, everyone preach about it. This thing is so important that if you cannot follow this, you just blow a lot of accounts, right? Yeah. So trading the trend, trading within the means of the trend, is actually a very effective and powerful strategy that you can use, right? So let's say the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. You are gonna be looking for buying opportunities, and if the market creates lower lows and lower highs, you are gonna be looking for selling opportunities. It's that simple, guys. So just identify your trend, and if you can see that the market is breaking the trend, you should wait for the market to break at least one lower low, one higher low, and then you can expect the market to take your selling opportunities, right? Because remember, the market hasn't changed a trend if it didn't break the previous high or the previous low. You get the point? So let's move to the third step, guys. So the third step is look for reversal points, guys. This thing, it's so effective, bro. You cannot fail when you do this, guys. So there are only 2 reversal points that I use basically to trade New York session, and it's the double top and the head and shoulder pattern, right? If you can identify this thing, then you are proper, guys. Then you are very proper, because then you would know when the market is selling and when the market is buying without even you getting a confirmation. Because remember, when you get a double top, that's a reversal zone, so you are supposed to be capitalizing on the sniper entries, right? So when you trade New York session, guys, you have to be very skillful. And let me just tell you one thing, this thing, it's not for the weak. So New York session, you can blow, you can make a lot of cash, but one thing you must remember is the amount of money you risk is the amount of money you can make. Triple of that with the New York session, right? Remember, Nasdaq doesn't know your name. Nasdaq doesn't know who's Uncle Nasdaq. It's not owned by anyone. So this thing, it can either kill your account or it can make you a lot of cash. It's almost like trading NFP, right? Yeah, that's how you must take it. So let's go to the final step, guys, which is the impulse and correction phase. So you should know that the market moves in two ways. The market has an impulsive phase and then it has a corrective phase. So as you can see, the one that I've highlighted red is the corrective phase, and the one that I've highlighted blue is actually the impulsive phase. So you don't want to be trading the corrective phase, guys. When the market is showing you corrections, you don't want to trade the corrections, right? You just want to trade the impulsive phase, because there is where we are going to be making a lot of cash. You get the point? Because if you are in an uptrend, you're going to be expecting impulses to the upside and corrections to the downside. If you're in a downtrend, you're going to be expecting impulses to the downside and corrections to the upside. So guys, before we end this video, let me just give you guys the bonus tip on how to trade using CNBC app, guys. So let me just go to my CNBC app and we can get this started. So this CNBC, guys, you can get it on App Store, you can get it on Google Play Store. If you are using Android, if you are using iPhone, you can get it on App Store, right? So you just come here to watch list, and then you go here to edit whatever. Then you can come here to search symbol. Then you search any symbol, like let's say Netflix, and then you press let's search Netflix real quick. So they will come up something like this. Then you press on the watch list button, right? So after pressing on the watch list button, you're gonna get your stock on the watch list, right? So you're gonna wanna add all the 6 stocks. And now how you're gonna do this is, if every stock is green, you can see the colors. So if every stock is green, you're gonna wanna look for buying opportunities at let's say 3:30, right? And if every stock is red, you're gonna wanna look for selling opportunities, right, at 3:30. Now these are the 2 strongest stocks that you must always take that you must always keep in mind, right? There is Tesla and there is Amazon, guys. These 2 stocks are very powerful. If Tesla and Amazon are green, you buy. You don't look at the other ones, whatever. If Tesla and Amazon is green, you buy. And if Tesla and Amazon is red, you sell. So if these lights are red, you take selling opportunities. If they are green, you take buying opportunities, right? You want to make sure also you focus on the change, right? The change, it's this one right here on the right side, right top, the percentages, right? So you want to make sure that you focus on the percentages before you take your trade, because those ones will show you how high the volatility is in the market, right? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Subscribe if you are new to the channel, and get this video to at least 50 likes for us to drop another video on anything you would comment down below, guys. So I'm gonna read the comments down below, and then I'll drop a video based on that comments, right? If you want VIP signals from me, don't forget to get my number in the comment section below or in this video's description, right? My free signal group is also in this description. You can click the link there, join my free signals group. And as I said, guys, my number is in the comment section or in the description if you want to get my courses, if you want to WhatsApp me, whatever, guys. So nonetheless, guys, I'll see you guys on another video. Danko.